In this video today, I would like to show you how to change the keyboard layout and language in Windows 10. So now, let's get started. I will close this one. And here you click on Start button. And you go ahead to type in the language setting. Okay, click on this one. Okay, so in the language setting of the Windows 10, you take a look into this preferred languages section here. Okay, and you go ahead to click on Add a preferred language to add the new languages in the window. Okay, so here we have a lot of languages here. You scroll down, or you can even type in the language here. For example, I will add the Japanese. Japan. Here, Japanese. I click on this one. Double click to here, and here there are some options. We have some installed language packages, and another thing here, you just let it by default. If you want to set this language is the default language of displaying in the window, you go ahead to click on this one. Otherwise, you click on install button here to perform the action to install the new language on the Windows PC. And now the list for the installation is complete. Okay, so now you can see here the installation for new language is Japanese has been completed. Okay, and so now how to change the language for my keyboard from default English to this Japanese. Okay, you can go ahead to click on the choose an input method to always you at default. Okay, so here you can see we have in the switching input method, you click on use desktop language bar when it is available. Yeah, and then after you select this option, you can see in the taskbar we have the icon of English. This is default language. Click on this one. Yeah, and you can see we have all of the languages installed on my PC can display in here. Okay, you can also click on language bar options. Yeah, so you can hide the icon here for the languages changing. Apply, it will be disappear. Okay, you can also select another option if floating on the desktop. Apply, and then it will be displaying on the top. Yeah, okay, so basically I will select the option it adopted in the taskbar. It look great, it look better. Okay, yeah, so here I close this one, and then I will show you a demonstration on how to change the language on my keyboard. I just go ahead to open the notepad for testing. Okay, so here for example, and I will open the on-screen keyboard. Okay, you see here by default we are using the keyboard of the English. Okay, that means I can enter the English here. Hello. Okay, so now I want to change it to another language. I click on icon here and I just go ahead to change it to ZP is Japanese. Yeah, so here it have the another language. Yeah, you can see here it have changed some of the icon here. And also you can change it to the Thailand language. Yeah, so when you change it to the Thailand language, you can see all of the character on the keyboard have been changed to Thailand. And here just go ahead to enter some data here. Okay, the same thing if you change it to the Vietnamese. Yeah, So okay, I will change it back to English. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you. After you finish this video, you know how to install the new language for the Windows 10, and after that you also know how to change the layout language for the keyboard. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye, and see you guys in the next video.